Okay, our hand position for In the Hall of the Mountain King by Grieg. Middle C for reference, and we're actually playing below middle C. So if we go to the C below middle C and then move our hand up a note onto D, and the left hand will match that. Okay, we'll start off by just playing the right hand on its own, and then we'll add the left to it. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5. Let's just do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5. Now what we do, the 5 and the 3, we're going to play the notes just to the left of those. So it'll be the middle black key along with E2. So from there to there. So middle black key, 2, 4, and then what we do is we step down those fingers 2 and 4 one note again. So from white and black we go to black and white. So let's just have a look at that slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4. And we do the same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we move our thumb to where our middle finger is onto the F. And we move our second finger up another note onto A. High D little finger. C4. 2, 1, 2, 4. Okay, so just that little bit. 1, 2, 5. 4, 2, 1, 2, 4. Move our hand back again. We're going to just play exactly the same as what we've already done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5. Middle black key. 2, 4. Slide off the black key. 4, 2 onto the black key. The same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move the thumb to where the middle finger was. Little finger in high D. 2, 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4. So that's the right hand. Now the left hand just plays fingers 5 and 1 alternating. 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, and comes in together. When we get to there, the left hand just moves up 2 notes. So the thumb is on C, and we keep the 5 and the 1 still going. Then we move back, and the same with the right hand. And we repeat what we've just done. Move up the 2 notes again. And so with some practice, you'll want to get the speed up in this one and play it like this.